Today not only marks the beginning of the month, but the beginning of Manufacturers Week in Minnesota. Today, guests were invited to the Staples campus of Central Lakes College to kick off the event. Chelsea Brown has more on that in this week's Golden Apple.
Central Lakes College hosted members of the Minnesota Association of Career and Technical Administrators, as well as other guests to kick off Manufacturers Week, a week that encourages communities and companies to recognize the importance and economic impact of Minnesota's manufacturing sector.
The number one thing that every single manufacturer brings up every single time they're asked, what is the most important consideration? Is it regulation? Is it taxes? It's people.
And a part of the event today was touring facilities like the robotics facility you see here, getting to see the robots in action.
We went and saw the machine shop and the robotics shop, and I tell you what, it is beautiful. They've got really nice equipment. Once they get it all, the whole place done, it is going to be awesome.
Great to have educators. It's great to have manufacturers from the state of Minnesota to come visit our campus, to show them our robotics lab, and to show what we can offer as far as education to the manufacturers of this area.
Facilities like the robotics lab give students that hands-on experience.
The cool aspect about our robotics program and our robotics lab in particular is that we have industry robotics, meaning that the same robots that our students learn on, they work with, and troubleshoot will be the same robots that they'll be implementing in the manufacturing field.
And the kind of education and equipment offered at CLC continues to impress employers.
The equipment is exactly what they need for industry. They're not learning just on manual. They've got a lot of CNC controlled equipment. They've got a variety. They've got EDM. They've got everything here that we in 3M here locally absolutely require.
Known for their manufacturing industry, Minnesota produces the largest share of state's gross domestic product, making it a dynamic segment to the economy.
Everything that we touch, everything that we see has been manufactured, and most of those things, if not all of them, are through some kind of an automated process. And that's what we teach our students, is how to automate that process to make goods for people in the state of Minnesota and in the United States.
But with the slowing education system and providing these resources to learn about manufacturing, events like this week hope to interest others to learn more. In Staples, Chelsea Brown, Lakeland News.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.